So we finally got the Switch 2 in hand. Let's get it unboxed. The Switch 2 itself, it is svelte. It feels a lot more premium than the Switch or even the Switch OLED, at least to me. It feels a lot better built and more rugged. The Joy-Cons, they're bigger, not hugely bigger. It is noticeably bigger, but not as much as I was expecting. But they do also feel better built.
Ooh, that's nice.
That snap.
Oh my God.
It is so much better of a connection than the Switch 1. Putting the Joy-Cons on and off on the Switch 1, it took a little practice. Then you've got these little bumpers where you can throw them on each Joy-Con if you're using it by itself. And then you've got your controller where you can add both Joy-Cons to it, a power brick, a cable, and they're not attached, which I prefer, so that if the cable frays, you can just get a new cable, and the dock. The dock feels pretty flimsy. I know it's got a fan in it now, but it feels pretty flimsy. And just look at the flex. It squeezes together really easily. It actually makes me a little bit uncomfortable. Not that you'd ever be doing that, but I'm barely applying any pressure to get that squeeze. And for the Pro Controller, it comes with an A to C cable. And it's got this really nice soft touch finish. But then listen to the buttons. And now for the Switch 2 itself. This is gonna be my first time turning it on. Here we go. Oh, already I can see a little backlight bleed right there. Maybe it's just smudgy, actually. Wow, that screen is big. Let's see, let's check out this kickstand. All right, so, wow. Ooh, look at that slick little animation. See that little orange pop up? Wow, that's so much better it's so much easier to do than the first Switch. I mean, it's not like the first Switch was hard, but man, and they feel, there's definitely some flex to them here. Let's see. I mean, I can feel them wiggling. But it's not nearly as bad as the first Switch. All right, well, this downloads. Let me just show you how big this screen is compared to, here's a Switch Lite that I've got. So you can tell that's a Switch Lite size comparison. It is absolutely tiny compared. And then if I leave that there, here is a Steam Deck OLED. And actually, the Steam Deck OLED is a very similar width. The Steam Deck OLED is a little bit wider, and definitely quite a lot thicker. There, you can see, yeah, the Steam Deck OLED is like quite a bit thicker. There it is. All right, setup process was no problem. That probably only took me like 5 minutes, and mostly just entering in accounts. And let's get this up. Oh, and for the last size comparison, real quick, this is the GPD Win 4, and you can tell the Win 4 is a lot more compact. Comes to the thickness itself, the Switch 2 is probably like half the thickness, or maybe even less than half the thickness. So cool. Yeah, as far as the overall feel of the console, man, it feels premium. It feels dramatically more premium than the Switch or Switch OLED. Is that metal? I can't tell if that's metal or plastic, but it feels good. And man, the way the Joy-Cons, look at that, it's so easy. You could fidget with that. That's nice. This weight comparison with the Steam Deck OLED. This is the Steam Deck OLED right here. Steam Deck OLED definitely feels heavier. More than heavier, it just feels so much bulkier. It just feels dramatically thick. I mean, it is dramatically thicker and a lot more ergonomic, because you can see like this has a whole handle and the switch is just flat. So like if you put them like this, there you can tell it's just flat versus having a whole grip. So I definitely prefer the grips on the Steam Deck. Nothing new there, but the thing the grips kind of take away, if like on the Steam Deck, is you take away some of your portability. So let's see, we've got our SD card slot right here. Ooh, that's a nice little tray. Actually, they did a good. Oh, that's a game card slot. Actually, never mind, not an SD card slot. So the SD card slot must be down here. Oh yeah, there is the SD card slot right there. Yeah, this feels sturdy. This feels well constructed. Joy-Cons feel good. Triggers. There's that. And then listen to, here's the controller. Yeah, so first impressions, man, Switch 2 feels really good, but these servers are overloaded. This is gonna take a while to download Mario Kart, which is annoying because I wanted to get the physical version. Doesn't matter. It'll just take a while to download Mario Kart, and that's okay.